How did I make my first $100 online using AI tools without spending a dime upfront? In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can do the same. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's practical, beginner-friendly, and possible with the right tools. Let's get started. I chose to start a faceless YouTube channel. Why? Because it cost nothing to start, and I didn't need to show my face or use my voice. I used ChatGPT to write a compelling script in minutes. Then I dropped it into Pictory to generate the video using AI voices and visuals. Once the video was ready, I uploaded it to YouTube and used ChatGPT again to write my title, description, and tags. Within a few days, I saw views coming in. Since YouTube monetization takes time, I added affiliate links in the description. Every time someone signed up for a free trial through my link, I earned a small commission. By repeating this with a few more videos and linking to multiple offers, I made my first $100 in less than 2 weeks, all with AI. Want to follow the same method? Grab the free AI income toolkit below. It has the exact tools and prompts I used. Don't wait. Your first $100 could be closer than you think. Subscribe for more AI hustles. Watch 5 AI hustles you can start this week.